हेलो बच्चों, तो कैसा आप लोग? क्या देख रहे हैं आप? अच्छा ही होंगे. Today we are going to see something new about a new library that is called as graphic libraries in Python, that is Turtle. And the Turtle graphic is an implementation of a popular geometric drawing tool introduced in Locus, and it was developed in 1967. So in Python, the Turtle graphics provides a representation of a physical turtle, and that is a little robot with a pen that draws on a sheet which is lying on the floor. So the turtle drawing was originally created as an educational tool to be used by the teachers in a classroom to produce some graphical outputs without the overhead of introducing more complex or external libraries into their work. So you can use Turtle and draw simple graphics using the Python onto the sheet of the paper. So let's dive and see what is the example of that. Well, if you want to just use Turtle, you have to first install a Python Turtle library in your system, and then you have to just import everything from Turtle. So I have done import Turtle. Like I have to do everything. So from Turtle import start. So it will import everything from the Turtle library. Plus I have done import Turtle, that is renaming I have done using PU app. So I'll be using in a further concepts about the PU app only. Then let's see how to draw a simple line using this turtle. So whenever you want to draw a line, you have to use forward, and whatever the number of steps you want to move your turtle forward, that you will be mentioning over here. So I have mentioned 200. So starting from a 0 0 coordinate, that is nothing but exactly at the center of your whatever the sheet you are using. From that center, 200 steps, it will move towards the right hand side. So let's see how it works. So if I run this, I've just written down over here, that is nothing but turtle forward into bracket, that is 200 steps. I want to move my turtle with pen to a right hand side direction, 200 steps. So if I run this, you can see it onto the screen. It will start exactly from the center, and then it will move towards right hand side 200 steps. So if I want to draw a triangle, so let's see how we can draw the triangle over here. Let me comment this part over here, and I'll just uncomment this one so that we can just have a look here. So if I do it this, that is nothing but if I do renaming, that is we have a short forms also for forward, we can use FT. So I have done turtle FT, that is turtle FT, turtle dot FT 100. So it will start moving right hand side 100 steps. After that, I want to move my like marker to 120 degrees. So I have done left. So from that line, left hand side, it will just bend it to anti-clockwise 120 degrees. Then again forward 100. Then again on the left hand side 120 degrees. Again I'll move forward. So that will create a triangle. So let's see how it is created onto the screen. So you can see starting at the beginning 100 towards right hand side, 120 degrees left, that is anti-clockwise, again 100, again 120 degrees left, and then it will wind up. Okay, so let's see how we can draw a square, but also we are going to see how the square is drawn with what we can say it as with colors. Okay, so let's see how to fill up the colors also. So turtle color, I have taken a red color. Okay, so red color for lining, as well as red color for the filling up the square, whatever the square is there. So same thing, you can just apply it using the for loop also, but here I have just shown you for the simple demonstration purpose. So turtle dot color, I have taken the red comma red. Also turtle dot FE, that is 100 steps towards right hand side, then again left I'm just moving it straight, that is I have taken a 90 degrees. Then I have started to begin the filling the color. So begin fill. Here you can see begin fill will start filling up the colors. So begin fill, then again forward 100 steps, again left hand side 90 degrees, again forward 100 steps. Like that I have done and completed the circle. And if you do the end of fill, it will completely fill up the shape whatever you have drawn it onto the screen. So let's see how this is created. So you can see it will start at the beginning, red color, and filled up with the red color. So begin fill and end fill will do this filling up with the shapes what you have created. Also, you can create a different geometrical shapes using the same thing that we have here on. Let's see how it is done. So I have created. Let me just remove this part over here. And okay, let me delete this also so that you will have a clear picture what we are doing it over here. So for I have taken steps in range 100. So 100 steps I am going to take. And for C, I have considered a color red, blue, and green. You will see how these colors are applied. Then I have taken color from that and just going to, that is into for loop. Then forward, I am going to take steps one by one, like it will start with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many steps I am going to get, and every time I am going to bend it towards the right hand side by 30 degrees. Okay, so let's see how this geometrical shape will be drawn onto the screen. You will be amazed to see this one. Okay, so let's start, and here it is. You can see it is just bending it towards right hand side by 30 degrees, and every time the step count is increasing like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 100 it will go, and we have done it into a for loop, so it is just going to draw the shapes till the 100 steps are complete. Okay, and every time every step is taking a different color. That is, it is beginning with color whatever we have mentioned. That is, we have mentioned over here red, blue, and green. So it is just drawing red, blue, and green every time. So red, blue, green, red, blue, green, red, blue, green, like this till it completes with 100 steps. That is going to here. It is going to draw the shape. Okay, so like this you are going to get the final result. So stay tuned guys, today I am going to draw Ganpati Bappa on a occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. So stay tuned and we'll be having a look at how this is created. Chalo, bye bye.